Do you think you're learning English the right way? Wait! Most people make these 5 big mistakes when trying to speak, and they don't even realize it. Let's fix them together so you can speak clearly, confidently, and naturally. Mistake number 1: memorizing word lists. Don't just memorize words like book or apple. Learn how to use them in real phrases. I read a book. She ate an apple. Mistake number 2: focusing too much on grammar. Speaking isn't an exam. If you pause to fix every grammar rule, you'll freeze. Speak first, polish later. Mistake number 3: not speaking out loud. Watching videos helps, but if you're not speaking, you're not training your mouth or ears. Say the words, repeat after videos, record yourself. Mistake number 4: being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are how you grow. Every fluent speaker made 1,000 mistakes before they got it right. Mistake number 5: only reading and writing. You won't speak fluently by only reading. Practice listening, speaking, and using English daily, even if it's just 5 minutes. Fix these 5 mistakes and you'll speak English faster, better, and more confidently. Do you want free speaking worksheets? Follow me at Learning is Fun by Joe and subscribe for more. Let me know if you found this content useful.